Welcome. Tell us about Squizify and the role that it plays in the QSR industry.
So Squizify is an operational excellence platform specialising in digital food safety compliance. We work with QSRs to improve the visibility across the entire networks from a food safety perspective, given the ability to see small trends and issues and deal with them before they become big issues and problems down the track.
From your vantage point, what are the opportunities and challenges that some of these QSR operators are facing now?
So moving forward, we see two critical challenges that will face the QSR space over the coming years. The first one's around how brands will be able to quickly drive change throughout their organisation. And the second part to that is around how brands can actually validate that stores are actually doing what they should be doing when they should be doing it.
How does Squizify help these restaurant operators take advantage of these opportunities?
Squizify, we see ourselves as more of a data company than a digital food safety compliance company per se. We enable small food businesses to capture key micro data sets when it comes down to food safety on a regular basis. We believe firmly that if you're capturing and monitoring what matters most in your business more often, you're going to see these issues arise in advance and be able to deal with them before they become big problems throughout the brand. We see ourselves more of as an insurance policy, so to speak, helping brands across networks reduce their risk, whilst at the same time improving the profitability and operational excellence of their stores as a whole.
Tell us a bit more about Squizify and how you started the company.
So I started the company purely out of pure frustration with myself. I worked in the hospitality space, in particular with QSR brands for a better part of 15 years. I was a multi-site franchisee, and I sort of dealt firsthand on a day-to-day basis the problem that we're actually solving. And look, I know firsthand that food safety is such an important part of any QSR or food business, but if you don't get it right, it can be devastating for brands and livelihoods alike. So for us, we looked at the problem, we looked at the market, we got really excited about what we could do to improve the way food business could handle those day-to-day compliance requirements. And from there, we built out a system that's now being used across 4 different countries. We've got thousands of restaurants using the platform. We seem to be going from strength to strength based on the fact that we are giving that trust and transparency to brands around how they improve from which way they do things from a food safety point of view.
So what 3 goals are you focused on this year?
But we still believe there's going to be a lot of winners and losers over the next 12 months in the food space. Given the uncertainty around lockdowns and COVID, we think brands that have the ability to move quickly, that are nimble, and can make changes on the fly will be ones that really do win the trust of their customers moving forward, and ultimately the ones that will win more business. We see a big opportunity with brands to reevaluate how they do things, look for ways to improve operational efficiencies, which ultimately gives the franchisees the ability to make more profit and be a happier franchise network. The third thing goal for Squizify is around specifically adding more value to our customers. Stores are not looking for more IT systems that stand alone as a silo operating platform. We want to make sure that we can combine existing platforms and absorb them into one platform to make sure that we are really adding value to the customers and reducing the workload that franchisees have on a daily basis. We do a lot of links and connections into existing platforms. So the idea is to be the one-stop shop when it comes down to food safety and the broader operations of a restaurant.
How do restaurant operators get in touch with you? What's their next steps?
So for us, we're on all the normal channels. So you can reach out on our website. We've got a number of different methods there to contact us via LinkedIn, Facebook, Instagram. Just jump onto support or hello at Squizify, and it'll come straight through to us.
Thanks very much for your time today.
Great, thank you.